So, try na natin. Uy! Try natin. Cheers! Hello everyone! Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Big Sushi, my version. Our ingredients are sesame oil, furikake. Furikake is seaweed. Parang ano lang siya, parang seasoning lang siya na may seaweed from Japan. Then, seaweed, century tuna, pipino or cucumber, then some cupine mayo. This is not the proper way to make it, but I like it this way, so yeah. Una, babalatan natin yung pipino and we are gonna cut it. 3, 2. Our pipino is all cut na, so we're gonna set this aside. Now, kukunin natin yung kanin natin. Tapos, ilalagyan natin ng sesame oil. That much. And mix. Lalagyan din natin ng furikake. Now, mix. Now, lalagyan na natin ng tuna. Lalagyan natin ng onting soup galing sa tuna. Para masarap. Now, lalagyan na natin ng tuna. Any kind tuna pwede. Lalagay na rin tayo ng Japanese mayonnaise. Mix. Lalagyan na natin ng pipino. Mix. Yummy! Bonus, lagyan natin ng crab sticks and cheese. Microwave till nag-melt na yung cheese. Put the temperature to high for 1 minute. Already. Top it off with some more furikake. And you're done. Yummy! Okay guys, so itry na natin ginawa nating baked sushi. Oh wow! Mix lang muna natin. Para every bite may cheese siya. Wow! Alam mo, kina-crave ko to kasi may nakita ko sa TikTok. Ganito din yung recipe niya. Pero, hindi ko linagyan ng sriracha tsaka vinegar. Kasi, ginawa ko din to ng ano. Pero, hindi ko nagustuhan yung sriracha tsaka yung vinegar with it. So, siyempre, nilagyan natin ng crab sticks. Ooh, sarap! Meron tayo yung seaweed. So, try na natin. Ooh. Try natin. Cheers! Whew. Kahit wala siyang seaweed, masarap din. Bagay yung cheese. Laking bite dapat. So cheesy, tsaka may crab sticks pa. Try natin sa nanay ko. Try nyo po to big sushi, ginawa ko po.
Sarap!
Diba? Mommy approved! Tapos sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye!